In this video, I'm showing you the CE All-Stars Elite Team makeup look. I'm going to give you step-by-step instructions starting with prepping your eyes. So start by applying a thin layer of primer across the eyelid to help lock in the eyeshadow. This is optional, but it really helps the eyeshadow to pop. Next, I'm dusting a little loose setting powder under my eyes. Again, this is optional, but it will catch any eyeshadow fallout and makes cleanup super easy later. Now we're moving on to the eyeshadow look. So start with a matte brown eyeshadow and use a dome-shaped brush and press the color into your crease. Then switch to a fluffy brush and blend the color through the crease. Repeat on the other side. Next, use the black eyeshadow and use the dome-shaped brush to press it into the outer corner in a V shape. Here's an extra tip, but if you want a sharp line of your smoky eye, you can line up your finger from the outer corner of your eye to the outer edge of your eyebrow, and that will keep the lines clean as you press the eyeshadow into the outer corner. Then switch to a fluffy brush and blend the color through the crease to soften it lightly. Now we're using the matte green eyeshadow. So use your fingertip to pick up some of the color and press it into the inner lid and middle lid right up to the black eyeshadow in the outer corner. Next, use the green shimmer eyeshadow and use your fingertip to apply that color in the middle of the lid. I like to add 2 layers of the shimmer eyeshadow so that the color really pops. Use a fluffy brush to lightly blend the colors. If you added powder under your eyes, you can sweep it away along with any eyeshadow fallout. Once your eyeshadow is finished, add mascara onto your lashes. I like to add 2 coats for extra volume. It's time for lashes if you'll be wearing them, and I have a full tutorial video for applying magnetic lashes, but I'll show you the basics here. So to start with, I like to add eyeliner first. This is optional, but it gives me a guide for where I'm going to put the magnetic eyeliner. And now I'm adding the magnetic liner, and I'm putting it directly over top the eyeliner in the last step. I always add 2 coats of magnetic liner, and I go from the inner corner all the way to the outer corner. Wherever your lashes are going to go, you need to have magnetic liner underneath. Next, I'm placing the lashes directly onto the magnetic liner. And here's an extra tip, but it's really important to press the lashes onto the liner so that all the magnets have a good grab onto the liner. Now we're moving on to lips. So to start with, use a makeup wipe to clean your lips so that there's no oils, balm, or makeup on them. Then grab your matte liquid lipstick. I like to line my lips first and then fill them in using a thin coat. Let it dry completely for a few minutes. To keep this lip color transfer proof, it's really important to avoid all chapstick, lip balm, or lip gloss underneath the lip color or over top. You want to keep the lip color in the dry matte finish. And the final step is to add the mega glitter. So take a Q-tip and squeeze a small amount out of the pouch, about a dime size or less. Then pick it up on the Q-tip and apply it on the side of your eyes around the temples. A little goes a long way with this product, so just use a small amount and you can always get more. And give it a few minutes to dry. And that is your finished Elite Team makeup look for CE All-Stars. Have a great season, everyone.